Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, children. How are you all? Okay, I hope all of you stay healthy, stay safe. Okay. Listen, children. In previous class, already I explained EVS. What is that land pollution? I hope all of you understood that. Now I am going to explain what is that, children. Noise pollution. Today I am going to explain what is the noise pollution. What is the noise pollution means sound pollution. We are going some places. So on that time trains going and coming now, and trains, aeroplanes, cars, buses, these so many vehicles are there. So coming from what is that sounds they are making, what is that horns. So that sound will come na, from vehicles. So that is the called as sound pollution. And sound pollution, what is the noise pollution, children? So what is the sound pollution? A sound that the loud to a level that is unpleasant to human ears, causing disturbance, is called noise. Noise pollution, two types of noise pollution, children. What is that sources of noise? Sources of noise. These sources of noise, two types. What is that? Indoor noise and outdoor noise. Yes, indoor sounds and outdoor sounds. Indoor sounds, what is that, children? In our home. In our home, so many sounds are there. What is that? In our home only, so many things are there, na. So from that things, from that things, different sounds will come, na. For example, TV is there. Some members what they are doing, very loud voice, volume, they are listening TV. Okay, some members. And next, in our home, so many things are there. What is that? Mixer is there. Here already I wrote here. Mixer, washing machine and cooler, vacuum cleaner, and so many things are there in our home. What is that? First, mixer. Mother cooking in a home now. So mother everyday using, what is that? Mixer using. Okay, in the kitchen. And washing machine also, for what is that? Clothes washing, we are using, what is that? Washing machine. So washing machine also, some washing machines sounds will come slowly, but some washing machines will come sounds, what is that? Very loud. Okay, that also getting, what is that? Noise pollution in our ear, damaged on that time. Okay, cooler also sometimes will come loud, what is that? Noise, loud sounds. And vacuum cleaner also. TV, some members they are watching TV. Family members they are sitting same play in the home. They are sitting and watching. So on the time some members volume they are keeping, what is that? Very loud volume. They are keeping loud volume. So on the time, what is that? Sound will come highly. Sound will come, what is that? Highly. So on the time our ears also, what is that? Slowly our ears also damaged now. So whenever you watching the TV, on that time, what will do, children? You put the slow volume. You watch the TV. Okay. Some members 1 hour and half, 1 hour and 2 hours, 3 hours they are watching TV. So no, not that good for eyes. So you watching the TV only half an hour or 30 minutes, 35, 40 minutes only, you just watching that. But 2 long hours, don't watch the TV. Why? Because our ears damaged on the time. Okay, don't watch the mobiles. Don't watch the mobiles too long. Why? Because our eyes also damaged around the time. Okay, don't TV and very important things. What is that? TV and mobiles also. Don't watch too much time. So some members too much time they are watching mobiles and TV only. Not good for health, for eyes, for eyes, for our eyes, not good. So that's what I'm telling. Listen carefully, children. This sound pollution means will come about mixer in indoor noise. What is the indoor noise? Already I told you here. Indoor noise will come sounds. What is that? From things. What is that things? From mixer, from washing machine, and from cooler, vacuum cleaner, and TV, and some things are there in our home. So from the indoor noise, from these things coming, what is that? Getting noise pollution. On that time will damage our ears. So little bit whenever these things you using your family members whenever using these things, so you little far from these things. Okay, you sitting and or standing, you far little bit far from these things only. Okay, don't go too near to these things. Whenever using these things, don't go too near to these things. Okay, children. And another one is outdoor noise. Outdoor noise. Social events are there. So many functions are there. Outdoor means functions will happening. And places of worship means churches and temples is there now. So churches will happening now. So on that time they are making what is that mic. They are using mic, loud voice, loud volume. They are keeping on the time. So on the time also our ear is damaged. That is getting the noise pollution. And discos. Some places, cities. Hyderabad, Mumbai, on the in that cities, some members using discos. So on the time also they are keeping very loud volume. So on the time also getting a noise pollution now. And parties and other functions, parties, some members they are doing parties now. On the time also sound systems, they are using sound systems means songs, like songs. So on that time they are enjoying the party. In the party they are using what is that the sound system, music they are using music. So on the that music they are keeping loud voice, loud volume. They are keeping loud volume. So on that time will come what is that getting the noise pollution. Our ear is the damaged in the inside our ear. Okay, children, whenever you using sound system like music, songs, whenever you want listening that songs, you keep the slow volume. On that time you listening songs. Don't keep the loud volume. Okay. And parties and other functions, these are the called what is that outdoor noise. Yeah, outdoor noise. Another outdoor noise also is there. What is that in on the road also? So many vehicles coming and going now. What is that? Lorries, buses, okay, tractors. Say these vehicles. Drivers using what is that, children? Horns. They are using horns. Some members horns keeping a loud volume. Some members what is that slow volume they are keeping. But some members continuously they are using horn. Some members lorry driver and bus driver, they are using horn continuously they are using, but that is the not good. Whenever corners are there, corners is there now, whenever you cross the road on the time only, and corners are there. Whenever you cross the corners on the time only, we should use the horns only. Otherwise, no need to all times. But whenever we are using cross the road and corners, some places are there, dangerous places. So on the time only should use the what is that horn. But some members unnecessarily they are using horns. So on the time also our ear, what is that, getting noise pollution, and our ear is damaged now, will damage now. So that's why whenever you I hope all of you understood what I am telling. I hope all of you understood, children. Whenever whenever you go, so on the time also just you observe, children. Although these many members unnecessarily using horn. So here also noise pollution will getting already automatically. You get the what is that knowledge, children. Whenever you go outside, automatically you getting the what is that knowledge. So just you observe. Whenever you go to outside, just observe what is that noise pollution, what is that air pollution, smoke will come, no. So what is, just observe, children. Surroundings, in your surroundings, what is there? These vehicles are there. From these vehicles coming smoke. From these vehicles from sound, so much sound will come. So like you, whenever you go to places, that places you just observe that surroundings. Okay, children. And social events, many social events conduct open grounds. Yes, open grounds. In open grounds some members conduct the parties, and sometimes what is that, already I told, worships, churches and temples, they are using in the mic, no. So on the time also they are keeping what is that, a loud volume. Don't do that noise and create disturbing people living around around. Yes. Markets are another source of noise. Yes, father and mother, you also along with, sometimes you go, children. Why? Because you getting knowledge means in the market what things are there, what situations are there in the market, what happening in that market. So just you observe. Sometimes you will go along with the parents. Okay, in the market also getting the sources of noise, children. Another sources of noise, market also. In the festival time also, festivals like what is that, Deepavali. In the Deepavali time also, crackers, some bombs are there, no. From that bombs also getting what is that, noises will come, no. Noise will come, no. So on the time also our ear is damaged on the time. So little bit you far from that things. And another one is what is that, industrial and commercial activities. And here also sources of noise, indoor noise, what outdoor noise. In indoor noise, what is that, mixer, washing machine. These things from what will come, what is that, noise pollution. And outdoor places of worship, discos, parties and functions. So they are using sound system now. From that sound system will come what is that, getting what is that, noise pollution. And another one we will write here. And functions, so many parties happening outside. So from that coming getting the noise pollution, children. Just you open the textbook and what's the textbook you should read. First you should read the what is that, textbook. Matter is there, no, should read, children. And industrial and commercial activities, children. Industrial and commercial. here also transport. Almost all transport generated a lot of noise. Means what is that? Airplanes, buses, lorries, tractors, and what is that? Trains and other vehicles. A lot getting the lot of noise, children. In the early morning also some birds are doing what is that sounds. So from that sound also will come loud. Birds also doing a loud sounds. From that sounds also will damage our ear. And places of places of worship, discourse, parties, other functions. These from these social events will come noise pollution. So here a result means whenever we on that time you not going far, no. So on that time our is ear. Our ear is damaged. How to damage? I will explain here, children. The result means what is that result? Will damage? No. Hypertension. First one is the hypertension. And second one is our ear is losing. Yes. And sleeping disturbance, children. Sleeping disturbance. Next one is the sleeping disturbance. Yes. Disturbance. And other effects. Coming other effects from noise pollution. Here, children. Result means from noise pollution. From noise pollution coming result, what is that? Hypertension. Okay, and our ear is the loss, sleeping disturbance on the time also. Other effects will come from noise pollution. So that's why you on the time what will do, children? You standing and sitting little bit far from that sound system. We should follow prevent noise pollution, children. We reduce this pollution. How to reduce this pollution, children? Listen. First, planting more and more trees is a very good way to reduce noise pollution. Yes, first in your house surroundings, trees. First you grow the, what is that, the trees. Every day you watering the plant. So that plants will grow day by day, no. So on that time noise pollution little bit reduced. So that only, don't forget that thing, children. First in your surroundings trees will grow. Okay, first trees every day you watch the trees and plants are there now. Every day watering the plants. That don't forget that. We should watering the plants. Don't forget that we reduce the noise pollution. And noise industries, airports and railway stations should be little bit far from the residential area. Yes, bus stops, railway stations and airports are there. In the airport, what things are there? Aeroplanes are there. So whenever you go to these places, you standing from little bit far. Why? Because the sound will come from aeroplanes and trains. Horn is there, na? Train horn is very loud. So whenever coming train, so on the time also you standing little bit, you standing very far. Buses also, buses horns are there, no? So from that horns you standing little bit far. And misuse of public announcements systems are there, should be avoided. There should be silence zone and near schools, colleges, hospitals, etc. You whenever you go to these places, you maintain the first silence zone. So in the school surroundings also, just you observe children in the school surroundings also, sounds will be not there. And hospitals also, very silence in the hospitals. Why? Because patients are there in the hospitals, no? So that's why in the hospitals areas also will be not there sounds. And colleges, schools, these places very important, no? So that's why will be not there any sounds. So you also follow these things, children. You follow these points, whatever I am telling, just you follow these points. That only we are reduce the noise pollution. Otherwise what will happen, children? Our ear is damaged. So that's why our first we will see the what is that our health is very important, children. Eyes, nose, and our ears, tongue, total our body is, in our body, whatever organs are there in our body, so many organs are there, heart and lungs, what is that, kidneys, so many are there in our body. So top to bottom take care of our body. Why? Because our health is very good, children. Our health is very good. Just you take care of your health. Okay, don't forget that. I hope all of you understood this lesson. If anybody doubts are there, just call me. I will clarify the doubts, children. Volume 1 book EVS completed now, and the next I will explain volume 2 books. I hope all of you purchase the books. If anybody not purchase the books, you ask your parent, you have to purchase the books, children. Okay, take care. Bye.